Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Mara X2 espresso machine. It comes to us, wasn't working at all. So when I first tested the machine, I found out this board burnt, and this relay also was broken. Let me just pick it. You see it from here, and that was like really close to the board, so both of them get burned, and I put in the machine and needs a tune-up at that point, and I replaced both valves, the vacuum release valve and the safety valve, because the machine before that was clear was overheating before it get burned. So I replaced both of these valves. So let's go ahead and test the machine, and and after that I did descale the machine twice. I give it a deep cleaning for the woodwork, and I replaced this is the old shower screen and the woodhead gasket. It get replaced too. So let's go ahead and test it with espresso shot. Before that, let me test the steamer. That's cool. It's in a steaming mood, so I want to put it in a brew mood. So this is, let me test the hot water. So this is the hot water. It's refilling right away. Let's make a espresso shot on it. Till it refills. Okay, there we go. Here's the pressure. Got that nice shot coming out with thick crema, and if you leave it for a little bit, you're gonna see 3 layers of coffee. So the machine again functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.